here, I'm standing in one of the most devastating area in the coastal enclave. In this neighborhood, the devastating that we are seeing on the camera is not because of the earthquake. It's just because the Israeli warplanes that decided to destroy it completely, just to make a pressure on Hamas or any other Palestinian armed forces.
هنا نحن نقف في حي تل الهوى من أرقى الأحياء السكنية الموجودة في قطاع غزة في الجهة الغربية من مدينة غزة. مرتاح، ولكن الآن جميع هذه العائلات أصبحت بلا مأوى، بلا سكن، بلا مستقبل، بلا هدف، بلا حياة.
Rockets are still being launched from Gaza into Israel, activating sirens across the country. Israeli Emergency Service confirmed Tuesday that 2 foreign workers were killed and 1 was injured in southern Israel from rocket attack. Meanwhile, Israeli military are also continuing to conduct airstrikes in Gaza Strip. It announced afternoon that 2 senior Hamas officials were killed in airstrikes. In northern border, Israeli helicopter and tanks struck several posts of Hezbollah in response to rockets and anti-tank missiles from Lebanon.
The Israel-Gaza conflict entered its 4th day on Tuesday, with regional countries continuing their efforts to mediate and provide humanitarian assistance. Negotiations are ongoing between the United Nations and Egyptian officials. They are working to secure the safe passage of humanitarian aid through the Rafah border crossing that connects Gaza and Egypt. Saudi media reported that Saudi Arabia's Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman told the Palestinian side that the kingdom stands with the Palestinian people and is making efforts to prevent the conflict from escalating. Meanwhile, the Arab League has announced an emergency meeting for Wednesday.